Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So whenever you try to reply to any email on Microsoft Outlook and whatever text you are typing, if it is being replaced by Chinese character, then please follow the steps shown in this video. Now this is the workaround which has worked for me, so you can try this. So open run box, just type in run in Windows search box, then click on run, and over here go ahead and type in Outlook.exe space/save, then hit OK, and this will open Outlook in safe mode, and after that you can use the Outlook. You should not face any problem. Now you can also do one more thing. If you are using McAfee antivirus on your computer, then disable the McAfee anti-spam from Outlook. So open Outlook and then go to File, then click on Options, go to Add-ins, and then over here you can see Manage, and make sure COM add-ins is selected over here. Then click on Go, and over here you can see McAfee ADD add-in. You have to go ahead and uncheck this, then click on OK, and this will get rid of McAfee anti-spam from here. Now you can try to reply to any email, and that should not be replaced by Chinese character. So that will be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.